Tesla Motors has been in the news recently. Its new auto, the Model 3, pulled in 275,000 requests in only 3 days, and £30,000 cantina. Autos, nonetheless, they're fueled. Don't typically debilitate to split the web and stick up the telephone lines to an incredible degree that this one did. Things have been going great for Tesla at that point. The organization has gotten off, started constructing the biggest single industrial facility on the planet and is going to adapt. In 2013 it paid back each dollar it owed to the US government and turned into the best performing business on the New York Stock Exchange's Nasdaq 100 list. It hopes to convey near 90,000 new autos this year and a goal-oriented 500,000 a year before the decade's over. In the interim, Tesla has been making incremental changes to the auto with which it pioneered a trail 3 years prior when it began demonstrating that the electrically fueled extravagance auto's opportunity had come. Since our 2013 street test, the astounding Model S has been in receipt of more power and execution, neither of which it extremely required, more battery limit and cruising range, a moment front-mounted electric engine and resulting four-wheel drive capacity, and another autopilot highlight that reaches out past the capacities of most auto creators' path-keeping and dynamic journey controls. Every single justifiable reason purpose behind another full auto car street test, and this time, in a right-hand drive, UK-enrolled auto. The Model S Extend now begins with a sub £55,000, 312 bhp back drive display, climbing to incorporate four-wheel drive choices of both 324 and 411 bhp and either 70 or 90 kilowatt-hours of battery limit. Here, we're attempting the highest point of the run P90D finish with over-the-top speed redesign. Every one of the 525 bhp, 713 pounds-feet, and 97,000 pounds of it. We wore our Spaceballs film outfits to explore Tesla's key 2.8 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour execution assert.